everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we're gonna do a review this time on some work gloves. It's the weather's changing a little bit. Don't need those winter gloves that's going on so much right now. I'm freezing because it's I think 49 degrees out, but it is going to get to 60 degrees or so, and we're starting to warm up. It's spring, or whatever the case may be that's going on. So wanted to try out some new pairs of gloves, a little bit lighter ones, because the ones I have that you've been seeing in videos, I've been using a lot. I washed them. They got a lot, they got really dirty, and the grip isn't like there. So yeah, and the grip's not really there that it used to be. So that's pretty much why I wanted to change up. So instead of just doing like a single review on the gloves, or this is going to be my opinionated review, obviously. So I decided to get these, decided to get a pair to test out instead of just doing, single, one by one, just because of whatever. So I'm going to use these over the course of, I guess a certain amount of time. I'm thinking, 30 days, whatever the case may be, and do some work. I got these ones over here as well. These I thought were going to be similar in strength, in quality and stuff like that, but these seem a lot thicker, okay? And I only paid, I think these were $1.99 on sale. Usually I think they're $2.99 or even $3.99, but they're still like under $4. I mean, under $5. These ones I got were more than, I think these were $7, guys, for these ones right here. They're called DEX Fit. So I'm gonna show you the packages of them like I like to do, so you guys can pause that and see what they say. This way you can compare it on the fronts right there, and then we'll go to the back. Guess that one just came off then, but anyway, that's what the back looks like if you want to pause that and read anything, okay, and compare them. Yeah, like I said, the thickness isn't there of what I thought. These ones are way, way, way lower quality, but for $7, guys, I'm thinking like these are worth like $5 or less. These are more worth $7 than these, but I mean, I guess it is what it is. These look like the ones I get in a package, okay? In a package of 3, I think for $10. I think they sell them at Home Depot. So, I mean, I really, guys, why I got them. I got them because they're blue, and they had the best views, pretty much, Alright, so they are very, very tight fit, okay? Just to let you know, I have small hands. I got a medium, guys, and this is tight, okay? So most likely you're gonna have to order these probably a little bit higher than what you're thinking, because this is, look, it's really tight, guys. I probably would have wanted a medium. I'm too lazy to return it, okay? Because I don't think I really want to return these, and I'd rather just do the video test for you guys, and then I'll just use them, as it goes along, and then I'll give you guys a review. But like I said, they do seem like they run a little bit smaller than what I was planning. But let's try on these other ones here that are from Harbor Freight. Now the ones from Harbor Freight, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I thought they were gonna be I thought they were gonna be bigger. Honestly, the mediums, I guess, are that size. I thought I had a lot smaller hands. Maybe my hands are swollen, I don't know. I usually can fit tightly in a small, and then a medium is usually, like I thought, a little loose on me. So I'm confused if my hands got swollen over time. Maybe my health is declining, and you guys are in the process of seeing my health decline, so that's the reason why my hands are swelling. But that's cool, a whole other story going on there. But anyway, these, yeah, like I said, so they feel, thicker. They do feel thicker than that, okay? The quality feels a little bit thicker, not like, crazy that much, but they do feel like that. But the fit, guys, isn't much different than that. A medium, I think, I guess I probably would have went with a large, you know what I mean? My other ones, I think, are mediums, but I feel like they stretch more. So this is what they look like right here and what they stretch, okay, like I said. What I want to do is, guys, we're going to use this for gardening. I'm going to use it for, you're going to see what I'm going to be using it for if you follow along on my videos. We're working on a front door together. We're working on, working on a bunch of projects. I don't really remember all the projects, but we are working on a bunch of projects together, and I'm going to be using these gloves for the majority of those projects, for cleaning up outside, probably for gardening as well. We'll come back, and I guess, we'll test them out. We'll see what they look like. I'll tell you what I use them for, and this way I can get like a longevity review out of it, because I want to come back, do an updated review on all my outdoor boxes that I got last year as well. The same, to help you guys, to see if you guys see value in it, because we want to see what the quality is after a year of what all these boxes look like that I bought, the electrical ones outside. So I'm going to do that as well, and that's kind of the same concept that like I try to do and want to do for everybody, is do these reviews and then update it as well. All right. So that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on the unboxing and a little tryout of these gloves right here. Look at that. That's the only thing too. They're stuck together really good. Look, I can't even get them apart. Okay. But that's kind of what they look like. And that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on, I guess, the unpackaging review. Just to show you, like I said, we will be back. We're going to update you on the both of these and see what they look like. But like I said, that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on the unboxing of these and a small review of them. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you could support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, and if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products that I did already review. Alright, so everybody enjoy, be safe, Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everybody, and I will see you guys later.